Good morning. Today we've got variable amounts of clouds, some scattered showers, sunny intervals, and it's also going to feel a little bit warmer than yesterday. I'll have all the details coming up.
Carol.
Good morning, Sal and John. Good morning to you too. The weather today is a mixture of bright spells, some sunny intervals and a few showers. Light breezes too, and also a little bit warmer than yesterday. This ridge of high pressures building in, so the weather is fairly benign. And then later we've got a weak weather front coming into the west. That will introduce some rain. But at the moment, we've got some showers across parts of northern Scotland, a couple in Northern Ireland, Northern England, North Wales, and a few into the southwest. But equally, you can see where we've got the holes in the cloud, and we're starting off with some sunshine. Through the day, you'll find a little bit more cloud bubbling up. That could produce some showers, but many of the showers today are going to be well scattered. So if you're crying out for rain, a lot of us aren't going to see it. And in the light breezes coming from the northwest, well, it's going to feel warmer than yesterday, as I mentioned. We've got temperature 17 in Stornoway, 22, 23 around the Birmingham area, 25 in London. Now, through this evening, many of the showers will fade and we'll have some early evening sunshine. But through the latter part of the evening into the overnight period, a weather front comes in from the west. It's drifting eastwards and the cloud will build ahead of it, the rain on it, again, turning patchier as it tends to move further east. It's not going to be a cold night. Our overnight lows 9 to about 15 degrees. Then as we go through tomorrow, our weather front continues to push eastwards and a bit southwards. It is weakening though, so we start on a cloudy note. There goes that weather front, the rain turning lighter and more patchy in nature. It will brighten up with some sunshine across northeast Scotland, and it will also brighten up through Wales, the Midlands, into the southwest and parts of the south coast. So we'll see some sunny intervals, but we could also catch the odd sharp shower. Temperatures tomorrow down on today, looking at highs up to about 21 degrees. Then as we continue through the week, we still have the dregs of this weather front to clear away, and we still have a ridge of high pressure across us, so a bit more of the same. So we're starting off on a cloudy note. There'll be some breaks in the cloud again. There'll be some sunshine around. Cloud bubbling up through the day could produce some showers. We've got the dregs of the weather front in the southeast here too. We could see 1 or 2 showers, and then later in the day the cloud will thicken up out towards the west, so through Northern Ireland and Western Scotland, and we'll see some rain by the evening. Temperatures 17 in Lerwick, 23 in Birmingham to about 24 in London and Plymouth. And beyond that, it's more of the same with a little bit of rain quite possible Thursday into Friday. Sal and John.
Good for the garden though. Carol, thank you very much indeed.
Thanks.